didn't end it. Yeah. Oops. He's getting gas. He's getting gas. Oh, it looks full to me. Yes. Yes, I know. You can talk, you know. Can't you? Are you loud?
When this car gets in here,
Yep.
and I do...
Oops.
and I do this,
Mm.
and then... it comes like this. Yoing, 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 yoing.
Yes.
Yoing.
Really? From up there? Didn't the car get hurt?
Don't end it.
All right, we think we have to wrap up this. We have to wrap up this video soon. We have to wrap up this video soon.
Okay.
Yeah, what's gonna happen? Yeah. Oop, he's not moving.
There.
There.
And then? And then?
Can't see. You're in front of it. Crash. Hey, Henrik. Do you like your new garage?
Thank you.
Yeah? Who are we saying thank you to? Do you remember
I
every...
want to show him this.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
That's okay. You know how to fix it. You almost ready? Is that where you want it to go? Hmm. Okay. Henrik. Who are we saying thank you to? Do you remember everybody's names? Hello?
Thank you.
Thank you to who?
Don't know.
Baloney. You're being silly.
No. How?
You know who. Henrik? Psst.
Yes.
Hello? Come see me. Turn around, please. Yes? Aunt Christine, Sam, Ben, Brady, Josh, and Sam. You say all that?
Aunt Christine and Brady
Yep.
and
Ben and Josh.
and Josh.
And who was here this summer?
Sam.
Sam. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Don't end it.
I am ending it.
No.
Hurry up. It's too long. You're going to show them your Christmas
I got
tree?
this.
Yeah? Who gave that to you?
Papa?
Yeah. You love it?
Yes.
I'm going to turn it on real quick.
Yep.
Looks better when it's turned on. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Where does that live? And sometimes in your bedroom, right?
And sometimes here.
Yeah. Okay. We wish them a Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay. Bye. You say goodbye?
Goodbye.